क्लास 10 का नानी हो। आज हामी एक्सरसाइज 2 को अब्जेक्टिभ क्वेसन एमसीक्यू गर्नेछौँ। बुझ्यौ त? यहाँ तिमीहरूको एमसीक्यू भनेको 4 वटा अप्सन दिएको हुन्छ, त्यसमध्ये तिमीहरूले के गर्नुपर्छ, एउटालाई चुज गर्नुपर्छ। त नम्बर 1 क्वेसनमा छ, म 4 वटा पढ्दिनँ, केवल आन्सर मात्रै मैले मार्क गरिदिएको छु, त्यो हेर्छौ। द लेयर अफ एयर सराउन्डिङ द अर्थ इज कल्ड, करेक्ट मार्क जुन चाहिँ गरेको छु त्यो हेर, एटमोस्फियर। ओके, नम्बर 2 क्वेसन, इन द एटमोस्फियर नाइट्रोजन इज अ पर्मानेंट ग्यास। एन्ड नम्बर 3 क्वेसन, द पर्सेन्टेज अफ अक्सिजन इन द एयर इज 21%. Okay, the gas that absorbs heat and regulates air atmosphere is carbon dioxide. And then comes number 5 question, the layer of the atmosphere where weather phenomena takes place is troposphere. Number 6 question, the layer of air that extends up to about 80 km from the earth's surface is mesosphere. Okay, number 7 question, the gas that prevent the ultraviolet radiation from reacting the earth's surface is ozone. And number 8 question, the polar lights are developed in the layer of atmosphere, that is thermosphere. Answer is thermosphere. Okay, number 9 question, the process of ozone depletion that involves human activities is called biological process. And number 10, the process by which heat is transformed by contact is called conduction. And then comes the question 11, the instrument used to measure the maximum and minimum temperature is 6 thermometer. And 12 questions, the latitude that receive the vertical rays of the sun throughout the year is what? 0 degree. Okay, let's come to the question 13. The normal air pressure at sea level is 29.92 inches. Number 14 question, the imaginary line drawn on map connecting places having equal pressure are called isobar. Question number 15, the winds that blow predominantly from one direction throughout the year are called permanent wind. And number 16, the mountain breeze is also known as anabatic wind. Number 17, the warm and dry local wind that blows from North Africa to the eastern Mediterranean region is called kamsin. So there are 4 options, but I am reading out here only the correct answer. Okay, number 18, the high altitude fast moving air current usually found in middle latitude in the upper tropopause are jet stream. 19, the amount of water pressure in the air is humidity. Question number 20, the main characteristics of Mediterranean climate is rainfall in winter. So these are multiple choice question. Now let's come to true false. Okay, true false मा नम्बर 1 क्वेसन छ, यो पनि 1 मार्क्स कै मात्रै हुन्छ, माथिको पनि 1-1 मार्क्स को आउँछ तिमीहरुलाई परीक्षामा। ट्रू फल्स मा हेर, द एभरेज एनुअल टेम्परेचर अफ इक्वेटोरियल रिजन इज 25 डिग्री टु 27 डिग्री सेल्सियस, दैट इज ट्रू. Number 2 question, the subtropical high pressure belt lies between 0 degree to 10 degree north and south latitudes are false. The number 3, the temperature decreases at the rate of 0.06 degrees Celsius per 1000 meter ascent is false. And number 4, the layers of the air through which jet planes fly is called tropopause, that is false. The rainfall is measured by a metal instrument called rain gauge, that is true. Number 6, the leeward side of a mountain does not get rainfall. True. The sea breeze is a permanent wind. That is false. Winds are deflected to the left in the northern hemisphere due to the Coriolis forces. That is also false. El Nino is an usually warm, nutrient poor water of northern Peru and Ecuador. That is true. Number 10 question. Methane is a greenhouse gas found in wetland. Found in wetland. That is true. And number 11, the horizontal transfer of heat by wind and ocean current is called radiation. That is false. Okay. Let's come to next question. That is question number 12. The proportion of gas remain contained in the hemisphere. That is true. In exposure, the temperature increases with the height up to about 1200 degrees Celsius is true. Oxygen is the gas in the atmosphere that absorbs heat and regulates temperature of the atmosphere. That is false. Number 15 questions. The difference between the maximum and the minimum temperature is called the range of temperature. That is true. Okay. यो पनि एक मार्क्स कै हुन्छ त्यसपछि आउँछौ fill in the gap. त मैले ग्यापमा तिमीहरुको आन्सर लेखिदिएको छु यो तिमीहरुले घरमा आफ्नो कपीमा सार्छौ जसको वर्कबुक छ वर्कबुकमा छँदैछ यो गर्छौ जसकोमा वर्कबुक छैन उनीहरुले यहाँबाट सार्छौ fill in the blanks मा छ land breeze blows during dash that is night in northern hemisphere the dash blows from the subtropical high to the subpolar low pressure belt. The answer is southwest westerlies. Number 3, water vapor is dash than air, lighter than air. Number 4, land gets heated more dash than water more quickly. Okay. Number 5, the total amount of water vapor present in the air at a particular temperature is called absolute humidity. Okay. Number 6 question, dash is the temperature at which an air mass becomes saturated, that is dew point. Jet streams takes a wavy or dash path to blow, that is meandering. Okay. Question number 8, the westerlies are called dash 40 degree latitude, that is roaring 40s. Answer is roaring 40s. Okay. Number 9, the equatorial low pressure belt is also known as the dash, that is doldrum. And number 11, the pressure belt shifted with the dash of the sun, that is apparent. Dash is the process by which heat waves are sent out by the earth's surface, that is radiation. 12, the layer of air above the tropopause up to 60 km height is known as stratosphere. The percentage of the gases varies in the upper layer of atmosphere known as heterogeneous. Okay. And number 14 question, in tropical region about -% of the air is composed of water vapor, that is 4%. Question number 15, dash are suspended particles and liquid deposits in the air, that is aerosols. Number 16, the temperature is mainly composed of 3 elements, that is gases, vapor and dust particle. Number 17, leguminous plants can fix that from atmosphere to increase the fertility of soil, that is nitrogen. And number 18 question, the temperature decreases at an average rate of 6.4 degree Celsius, that is dash. It was dash. Okay. The answer is 6.4 degrees Celsius for every 1000 meter ascents. And number 19 question, the highest concentration of ozone lies within the altitude dash to dash meter in the stratosphere, that is 12 kilometer to 35 kilometer in the stratosphere. Number 20 question, dash extends up to about 80 kilometer above the earth's surface, that is mesosphere. Question number 21, about dash of the solar energy received is retained by the Earth's atmosphere temporarily, that is 60%. Dash is the process by which heat waves are sent out by the Earth's surface, that is radiation. Number 23, the difference between the maximum and the minimum temperature is called range of temperature. And number 24, air pressure descends at the rate of 1 inch or 34 mb for every 300 meters. Okay, for every 300 meters. Then comes next question, that is question number 25. When isobars are spaced close to each other, they indicate a dash pressure of gradient, that is a steep pressure of gradient. Number 26. Dash is the horizontal movement of air on the surface of the earth, that is wind. Question number 27. An instrument called dash is used to find wind direction, that is wind band. And 28, the word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word dash meaning season, that is mosum. And 29, the extremely low pressure center of the cyclone is called its dash, that is I. And 30, question number 30, the throwing down of the moisture from the atmosphere is called precipitation. Okay, यहाँसम्म तिमीहरूको भयो fill in the blanks. अब match the column, दुईवटा match the column दिएको छ अनि यो कलममा मैले म्याच गरेर देखाइदिएको छु, राम्ररी हेर्छौ अनि यसलाई तिमीहरूले के गर्नेछौ, लेख्नेछौ. ओके, सो यहाँसम्म तिमीहरूको भयो च्याप्टर 2 को क्वेसनहरू अनि तिमीहरूले आफ्नोमा गर्नेछौ.